SCP-096, one of the scariest SCPs, is known for being very distressed, often crying and covering its face for extended periods of time. And as we know, SCP-053, the little girl, calmed down SCP-682, one of the most aggressive SCPs in the wiki. So what would happen if we paired the little girl with the shy guy? Would 096 also become happy? In this SCP exploration episode, we try to answer this question. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel with notifications on, so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we will be exploring more interesting SCP-096 experiments like this one in the future. In order to say what kind of effects SCP-053 could have on 096, we have to know the little girl's effects in detail. As you probably know, 053 makes everyone it makes contact with homicidal, and the said person tries to terminate the girl, but suffers a heart attack. However, as we said, 053 made the hard-to-destroy reptile calm, which is the exact opposite of what we would expect. This implies that the little girl's effect is some form of reversal of murderous intent, which makes ordinary people homicidal and aggressive people calm. So without further ado, let's begin theorizing. The interaction between SCP-053 and 096 depends whether the girl has seen the shy guy's face or not, and we will see why a bit later. For now, we will assume that the girl has seen the shy guy's face. This will obviously enrage 096, and the shy guy will want to attack 053. However, as we said, the girl's effect is most likely a reversal of murderous intent based on the SCP-682 experiment. This means that when 096 enters rage state and begins approaching SCP-053, the girl's effects should kick in sooner or later, and the shy guy should become calm, just as SCP-682 did. SCP-096's initial reaction will most definitely scare SCP-053, but now, once the threat is no longer present, the little girl's curiosity will probably prevail, and 053 will likely approach the shy guy, wanting to learn more about the weird-looking creature. And based on the fact that SCP-096 should be very calm at this point, we could expect to see some pretty cute things between the two SCPs, such as 053 hugging the shy guy and playing around with 096. Definitely a sight to behold. This effect will last as long as the two anomalies are together, but once we separate them, things once again become interesting. It is possible that 053's effect is so strong that after separation, SCP-096 forgets that the girl originally looked at its face, and in this case, nothing changes, and both SCPs go on with their daily lives. However, it is also possible that SCP-053's effect isn't strong enough to make 096 forget, and in this case, separating the two would make the shy guy aggressive once again, and 096 will attack 053 one more time. And as you can probably tell, this will result in an infinite loop, as every time SCP-096 is separated, it would once again attack 053, which in turn will calm the shy guy once again. And to be honest, this isn't all that bad, because in the presence of the girl, SCP-096 would be in a permanently calm state. However, as we said in the beginning, it all depends whether SCP-053 observed the shy guy's face in the beginning. So enough with scenario 1, let's explore the second possibility. Now we're going to explore what would happen if we made sure SCP-053 didn't see the shy guy's face, for example by blindfolding the girl. SCP-096 will be in a calm state, as no one will have seen its face. However, because of SCP-053's effect, this is about to change. As we know, the girl makes calm people aggressive, which means that the girl should enrage the shy guy as well, even though no one has seen its face. SCP-096 will then proceed to attack the terrified little girl, which on first glance would be the end for 053. However, in her wiki entry, it is stated that when damaged, SCP-053 will regenerate almost instantaneously from any wound. This means that SCP-096's attacks likely won't prove fatal, because 053 will regenerate fast enough to survive. SCP-096 probably won't stop attacking either, given the fact that the little girl will keep the Shy Guy enraged as long as she is alive. SCP-053's blindfold will be destroyed in the process, and the girl will likely see the Shy Guy's face while she is attacked. However, we doubt this will change anything, because at this point, SCP-096 would already be under the girl's effects, and having its face looked at could only enrage it even more. So it appears we have a stalemate, because 053 can't be terminated and 096 won't stop attacking. But there is one more thing to consider, namely what exactly SCP-096 does to all its victims once it eliminates them. As you probably know, this process is redacted, but the Shy Guy doesn't leave any traces of its victims behind, which implies they're eaten. That said, we don't know if SCP-096 terminates its victims before it consumes them, and if it does, then SCP-053 won't be consumed because it would still be alive. But it is also possible that the Shy Guy consumes people first, and in this case, SCP-053 would be eaten alive. So to sum things up, based on the 682 and 053 experiment, the girl's effect is likely a reversal of murderous intent, and because of this, if she looks at 096, the Shy Guy will attack her, but will become calm sooner or later. However, if we blindfold the girl and bring 096 in the vicinity, the girl's effect will enrage the Shy Guy without there being a sighting of 096's face, and based on 053's regeneration, this will lead to an endless battle. So as you can see, only the first outcome is satisfactory, and in the second scenario, 053 could be consumed by 096, something we can't afford. The girl has incredible capabilities, which need to be studied further, not to mention that 053 can be used as an effective containment for SCP-682. So in the end, pairing SCP-053 with 096 is a bad idea, and the Foundation probably won't be doing it anytime soon. Too bad, because the sight of the Shy Guy hugging the little girl would definitely be very cute. This concludes our theory on the SCP-096 vs SCP-053 experiment. So what do you think? Would this test result in an endless battle? And if so, will the girl regenerate fast enough to survive? Let us know in the comments below. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content, as we have many more interesting SCP videos coming up.